Adam says Sherman Saran said last month, the train, not the train you want.
You
Last month, the someone planet, the train means. Last month, I know enough was left. And I'm not saying this number on our person. Where you gave just better. Hello, baby. That is how are you, man? That is one of the questions will be after one. This one of the questions will be after one. Is that one of the questions that will be after one? I don't go for it. I don't go for it. Because I'm needy. This is a kind of sort of needy. Come garden. I will, it's about having now what did it? Then I went to a half hour, so did you? Oh, wow, I know why. And then I went to a hour. I have for 10 minutes.
Yo, what's up? What's up? It was good. Yo, what's up?
As a popo, popo,
Yo, what's up? What's poppin'? What's good? Everyone, I know it's been a while. We have not been uploading, but we are very, very sorry for that. And it's been a while. And let's say it's good to be back. Okay. Your host. Mahmoud from Cyber Academy, and we are a team of tech experts or enthusiasts, if I could say the word, from Sierra Leone, West Africa. Okay, we currently have a program ongoing which is for the live location that is almost completed, and maybe by next month, by the grace of God, you guys will be with us live at our place. Okay, so on this video, what I will be doing is I will be setting up Python because I've been getting issues from people, a lot of people that have been telling me that they have issues with this Python to set it up on their PC and then to start practicing. Okay, but I will be taking you through the whole process of setting up Python, installing it, and then start using programs made in Python by yourself. Okay, so here we go. Um, what you will be needing is some like two applications you will be needing. For me, I only use two applications like this one. I use Spider and then I use the Python base package file, which you can get from the official site of Python, which is python.org. Okay, you can get it from there, and for Spider you can get it from anywhere. Okay, so I have already pre-downloaded the applications I need, but I will be taking you to them. This for my OBS for streaming and recording, and this is Python 3.14.0, and now we have Spider here, which is the IDE I will be using. This is the IDE I will be using, and this is the Python base. So all I'll be doing now is installing these things. Only these two things I'll be installing, then we can then start. Okay, for you to get this application, what you need to do is let's see, from here you can search for Python exe, or you say python.org to the official site, which is this from here you can see the versions of Python you need. If you need Python, these are the versions available. There are more than this. This is from 3.15 pre-released, not yet. It will be coming out in 2026. Okay, and these are all the versions. If you want Python 2, you can download Python 2 from here, install, and then start using Python 2. Because some applications are based in Python 2, you can only run or use them only from Python 2. Okay, like the ones that are into this Linux and cybersecurity. You understand what I mean? We mostly use Python 2 for all the tools. Okay, so now all you have to do is go to download Windows. If you're using macOS, sometimes Python 2 comes pre-installed in macOS. If you need Python 3, then you just go to macOS and download. For Linux, you can install on, maybe this tool don't come with it, then you have to install from the repo. Now we have this one, and this is what it shows. Python releases for Windows. It says Python install manager. That's not what you're looking for. Now what you're looking for this one, I think, is 3.13.9. I downloaded 3.14, which is the latest version. This is 3.13.9. Now to download all, because this is a stable release. Those other ones are experimental. So now your PC, you need to know the architecture of your PC. If you are using 64-bit, you need to know it's 64-bit PC. If you're using 32-bit, then you need to know that it's 32-bit. So I'm just going to run a command here, which is Windows X and Y. It should take me here, and sorry about the device name. I'm using a light operating system. I'll change this sheet. I'll change this sheet. I need upgrade. So now I think we have system type 64-bit operating system, and my processor is based on 64-bit. The architecture is 64-bit processor. So I will just leave like that, and proceed by getting this thing. So now click on download, and then it will start downloading for you. Okay, don't mind me because this I did not enable my extension for this one. My trusty extension not enabled for this one. That's why it's downloading here. Okay, so I'll just leave like that, and then proceed to this sort of say other place here. So now we are currently here. All I have to do is install it Python 3.14.0. Install. Make sure you use this add python.exe to path. Okay, use admin privileges when installing py.exe. I'll leave like that first. So now install now. This will install 3.14.0, the executables, and then some of the things for the development libraries that we need. Okay, this should get it installed for us, and then we install Spider. But from this one too, you can also start using Python. From this one too, you can also start using to code, because it comes with Python. Ideally, it's also a development environment, but just that it is for psychopaths, because it doesn't give any help for you to be working with. There will be no help, no help, and it is very very plain, typical native. That's how it is. The Python ideally, and now pip and bootstrap currently installing. So pip bootstrap. So it's for bit architecture. Now we wait for when it completes. Then we proceed by doing it or testing it from CMD. Okay, into Python. Setup was successful. Now we close. Let's see. Windows X CMD. Windows X, sorry, CMD. Let's see. Now we have Python. Python is currently installed. Let me use my two hands there. I'm using one hand. That's not fancy. So now, come on, bro. We have this thing like it here. So we say Python. Now we have Python 3.14. I think I can increase this. 38, 36. Okay. Okay. So now we have. Let me go back to 28. This one is too much. Now we have here Python 3.14.0. Okay, we have it here. That's the version currently running, and this is it. So now if we say I think it should be. It's been a while. Don't like say it's been a while. Print. It's been a while. I'm very very slow. It's a low. So here we go. It's working. So okay, it's working. So now all we have to do is go and install Spider. For most people, there are a lot of development integrated development environment you can use, but I prefer this one. I know some people this PyCharm, but PyCharm I don't like it. I don't specifically like it. You can get Anaconda. Anaconda 2 is good. I think it should be within C users app data. Okay, let me select somewhere else. This PC local disk C. Okay, make a folder here saying Spider. Okay. Error destination folder contains one space. What was the space? Oh yeah, the name. My bad. You won't get an issue with this. I'll have to change this stupid. Not writable. Ah, okay. Now this PC document is not empty. Document, make new folder. Oh gosh. Yeah, because there are things in documents, so I'll create Spider folder and then use it. Sorry, this operating system, the same name. Let me go back. Local disk E. I'll use here these three tools. V3 in folder. Okay. I need to let me fix this thing, eh? Control panel. I need to go to control panel. Oof. I need to change that name. Okay. This one, this search bar. This is the light operating system, so no search bar for me. No search bar. Just use Windows X. They should. Don't know. Control. If this one doesn't come with control panel, then I'm dead. I'm dead. I think this one don't have that. Don't have that. Okay, now just proceed by installing. But this thing I need to get it fixed. I need to get it fixed. Let's see. Windows system. Okay, here we. Sorry, command prompt, not you. Windows system and control panel. Let's see. Okay, it's available. Let me just change this username. I don't like it. While that nigga is installing at the background, come over here, nigga. Psyche. Yeah. So that's done. Now all we have to do is wait on this one to currently install, and then we can proceed with what we have been doing. Let's just be patient. There are other ID you can use. Don't say I specifically told you to use Spider. No, this is what I prefer. Okay, it is what I personally prefer. This is for preferences. You can use something else. Choose your poison. Alright. So now, um, let's wait to complete. Well, let me show you. You can search for Python IDE that's available. Okay. Based on your system for Windows. Let's say for Windows. And now we get this one, PyCharm. This one. Okay. We have Spider here. This is what I'm using. I think it's from MIT. Now we have Python tool for VS. That's for Visual Studio. Okay. Maybe this one, I think, for the people that can't log in for, yeah, support for Python. So this one you can look for it if you're using VS Code. You say, let me just copy this name. I don't know if I can copy. Oh, I can. Oh, well, let's see if we can. Maybe not. Open link in new window. Python tools for Visual Studio. Okay, it's a plugin. Is I think an extension, so it's a plugin. I've just found out about this one. Let's get started. It's a plugin. Okay. This one I think is an extension, so you can download full installer, and this is for Visual Studio installation. This is new. I'm only it's just I'll try to do this a bit as different. So now we go back, and we have all this one. I think this nigga is currently going still. We have PyCharm, Spider, Guinea. This one also comes with um Linux, Eclipse, Komodo ID, key developer. Everyone has their present at home, but the one I actually used is the one I showed you. The Spark, because I used to use VS Code, but I had to stop using VS Code. I had to switch to Spider because it was very fast for me, and it was somehow productive. It is the ID that I used to make that tool VAS I made, or we made, sorry. We use this one because VS Code mostly I use it for my let's say web development purposes. That's what I use for. Even though you can use Python too, I think I'll be using VS Code also. I have a version in my PC which I can down install. I'll use VS Code also for the people that actually use VS Code. Okay. Okay. So now I'll use here. Think I should have, maybe not. Okay. This one, I think this version is 1.85.1. Let's see. I'll do a VS Code video now. Okay. And then let's go to download for VS Code. Someone will be calling me soon to go out. Now download for Windows 10, 11. This one for Python. Why I'm saying Python. Thanks for downloading. Okay, let's wait. This one is 1.105. 1.105. Okay, it's going 1.105, and this one is 1.85.1. This is the latest version, so let's use. Okay. Let's wait for this one to complete. I think almost done. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, now I think it's done. So we get this one also installed. After this one installed, then we can go through the process of using both, and then you see which one you prefer. I know a lot of people prefer VS Code. This one takes time to install, so we put here, and then we try to get VS Code on it. I think we just executed it to run, and we have to wait. After installing the Python, ideally you can just test Python. You can use Python, or you can wait and get a perfect ID or code editor that you can use. Now this ideally is where you can practice also. Then I think VS Code will start installing a Jiffy. Now we'll just proceed by using some condition for 134. Okay, I need you. So create a desktop icon. It should get it started. And if you need an Anaconda, you get Anaconda. It should be 1 GB. I have it on my PC here, pre-downloaded also. It should be this one. This one was 950 MB. And 60 MB. Someone's blowing up my phone. So let's leave it like that. You can check for this one to Anaconda. Let's see. Anaconda. So you download this one. This one is what you're looking for from Anaconda.org. If you can get here, then we use Phylos. You don't have a time to, maybe they will tell you that you have to send to your mail. Okay. Now we download Anaconda. Let's see. Make home faster. Turn on speed. I think we have to wait for this one to complete, and then this one please you. My face is 8 GB and I'm currently streaming, so okay. I won't download this one, I'll just show you. But this one too is better. Download in 30 seconds. I need free download, bro. I need free download, nothing else. Get demo. Is it paid? Okay, now we have this ideally opened. So ideally is open now. This one too you can use. Showing Python 3.14.0. You can create new file. So let's go to this. Python.py. Oh my god. So now we give this one name. If you want, you can save here. Okay, you can save here, but I'm not gonna be saving there because I need to test what I'm going to be doing. So we say what are we going to say here? Python.py. Okay, now the name should change to this one, Python.py. All we have to do now is make a little bit of a small code. Oh god. Later. Later, yeah? We'll talk later. Boys, I did do something quick here. Well, I will message you the stream now on YouTube. I beg, I will message you later. Okay. So now we have this here. Let's wait for this one to go. And this one I don't know. Still preparing. Just leave like that. Let's focus on this one. So now we say this one is open now. We can use this one is for typing codes. All the place you can run code is here. These other place here is for typing. Here we can say print one. I don't know if where I can get my plus 10. Okay, now we can say enter. It will give you 11. But for here, if you want to do anything from this one, after doing the same statement, then you have to use the one command. Copy this one also. Use here. When using here, when you paste the code, you have to use one. Okay, one module, or you can use F5. After saving, then then it will run for you, showing you. Okay, you save and one, then it will run for you. I can use something like this now. I can go too deep. Let's just name equals to, I should put a string here. Mahmoud. Age equals to 30. DOB equals to 1995. Okay. So now we say current year, CY equals to, let's see, 2025. Okay, so now we say we run say calc equals to DOB. Let's see, okay, DOB minus CY. Let's see. I don't know if I'm doing something stupid or what. DOB and CY. So let's see if we can run. Maybe I'm doing something stupid. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, sorry. We should use now print for it to print the calculation we are trying to do. So print. Damn, I miss this shit. So print calc. When we want now, print calc. That's for you to bring the calculation that we're trying to do. Yes, minus 30. Yeah. So it should be cy minus dob, not dob, minus cy. That's why we got a negative figure. Cy minus dob, control S, and then we run module. Then it will tell you that I'm 30 years. Okay, because I was born in 1995, and the current year now is, what is it? Where is this? Oh, Leo. Talk to you later. So now we have the date here. It's showing 30. Okay, let's try to use. I don't know if I can use everything still. It's been a while. Let's say let's not say print. Say print. Um, Mahmoud. No name. F. Where can I get this thing? You say name. Name. F still. Name is. We put also this other one here. Think I don't know if I should put an F here. Um, say calc is old. Okay, let's see. F name is calc years old. Oh god, I hope I don't embarrass myself. F name, god, it should be out. It should be out. I don't know. I don't know if it's been a while. I've forgotten a lot of things. Aha. I'm only 30 years old. Yes, 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 yes. It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while. Okay. I'm only 30 years old as everything. For most people use concatenation. This was taught to me by my mentor back then. Okay, so we are going to be using this one to test. My mom is 30 years old. This is the rubbish code we did. Close now, and this one complete. I can launch now. Just finish. For Anaconda, where are we now? This is all rubbish. So now what we are going to do, if you want to download, this is rubbish. We don't use the official site. Okay, we go to Phylos. Um, Phylos. That's it. No, 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 no qualms, no problem. You can get it for a year. Free download. Bam. You get it. If you need older version, it comes for old versions. Maybe your PC is somewhat slow. You need a lightweighted one. Previous build, not the updated ones. You can get them from here also. Okay. This one is from 6 years ago, 2019. This one is the latest version. This one showing. I will download it now, and I will keep it in my PC. Maybe I'll be doing my development later on in life. In this one, so I'll mark this one now, and then leave like that. Okay. This one is almost complete. So we have the Python file here. This one. Oh my god. Okay, so now we have it here, Python. Okay, we have it here, Python. If we want, we can even run it from this plate. I'll just use Shift, right click, and then it's connecting. Okay, connection successful. Okay, so now we have that. We tested the code. Simple like that. You can test your code. If it's just like this, you can test nothing much, so we just use Python, and then use this one. Then you get the answer. Normally is 30 years old. Okay, basic calculation. Okay, let's not wait for Spider. Let's proceed with VS Code. So now we launch VS Code. I will be getting these things. This one I'll just use this place here to download. Then we get start download. I need marketplace, so we go for marketplace extensions. You go to VS Code official page, then you go to extensions. We go to this one marketplace. So I'll download the extensions now. So I need the raw file, even though I have them in my PC currently. I keep these things in my PC. VS Code X. These ones are the extensions I use mostly for VS Code. Okay, these are the extensions I use. These ones I have them in my PC. Now we need Python, so say Python search here. Why I mostly use this one? It's for the time when I don't have internet to use. I will just like go to, I think something's installed from VS Code or Spider. It should be a script executing. Yeah, VS Code. I don't like using this AI. So now we have Python. We can get this one install. If you want, you say open because Visual Studio is currently this one. Let's see. I don't know if there's a way I can download. There should be a way down here. There is always a way. Let's start from down. There's a way to download. Oh. I'm tired. I'm tired. Jupyter Notebook also is good. I have Python already, so it should be on this left hand side. There used to be a download. Okay, well, just Q&A. Nope. Nope. Okay, let's just go to the overview and then there used to be a button over here that allows you to download it. There used to be a button that allows you to download it, but for now, let's just proceed with that. I'll check that later. Don't know this one, so we'll install this one. I think Q&A or what. I have Visual Studio Code. Or you can just use your extension here for you not to go to the trouble that I'm going to. Use this extension to update it, to update for itself. On its own, sorry, not for itself. Yeah, painful search. Now, after getting this one, then you can start. When it completes, then you can start. I think I'm doing 2 downloads. What the heck is going on? Or is it the same download? Yeah. Separate. What's this? So let's send the video. Not funny. At least you don't get that. At this going to the camp play so big man it's awful. Most more don't pass and play game. So now we go back. This one I think completed next. When we're done with VS Code, we come back to this one. So now we come here. I don't need this. I think my extension should be, now we have the Python here. So you see, we have Python extension here for global environment testing. This one for extension now, it's installed. This one is installed, I know. So we have it here. Now we can just create a new version. Um, so thinking. Let's try to open, make a folder. Make a folder here. Okay. We open a folder. This will be our development folder. We do this now. I'm changing his dash name. I don't need this. I need access to my second partition. Oops. This will be where my development things will be. Select folder. Now we have that folder. Then it should open. False. Now we're good. In Psyche, we can just use here to create. Yes, I trust this folder. Okay. That will be our development environment for VS Code now. So now we use Control N. We use this one here to get a new file, and then you can say sorry python dot py. Then you save. Now you can generate code with AI. I think this is with AI. This is AI. AI. Okay. Okay. Or you can start by typing your code. Or use Control N. Then you can just type your code and then Control S. When saving now, you give it a name. Okay. You just need to give it a name now. Say Python 1.py. Okay. Then it will be saved as a Python file. Now we have Python 1.py here. So that's how you start using that now to test or to see if the codes are actually really like that. Don't save. I don't need this nigga. There should be something here. Yeah, we need this terminal. You can use terminal here to execute and run your code in VS Code. Now we say Python to terminal. So let's see if we have Python here. Now we have Python 3.14.0, which means it is currently installed. We can do whatever we can do want to do here. So we exit. Oh, I need my trusty Django. Let's say pip. Don't think Django. Let's see for extensions for web design. Don't know if I was using Django. Django was the last one. There should be something else. I think it should be with Python frameworks. Need frameworks. Flux. This is it. This is the nigga. Let's just get Django installed and then we can get Flask. Damn, I almost forgot. That's the extension I use for mostly web design. Yeah, it's Flask. It's been a while. And I can install also from CMD because that's where most times I will be. Orange on the left middle. Pip install Flask. Okay, let it installed in this one also. I need it in CMD and also I need it in here, this other terminal here. Okay, now we can install upgrade pip. We can upgrade pip because this is a new installation. Okay, Control Shift C. Control Shift C. Control Shift C. Control Shift V. Yeah. So now let's try to get this one update this one and then we install Flask in here. We don't know if this one is complete. Okay, so now we update the pip here also. Pip from CMD. Mind you, these niggas are two different niggas. Got update like this. Okay, already satisfied. Okay, now let's see for Django, even though I don't need it here. Geo. Okay. Already satisfied, so we're good here, I think, but I made a mistake. Yeah, it should be Python. Is this Python 3? Okay, let's see. I think I don't know if like this, it should be like this. Venv. Python 3 Venv. It's been a while to create this environment. Python 3 Venv. Guess why? Okay, let's see. I don't know. I don't know. We go back. Back. It's been a while. Psyche. Nope. Python 3 M. Let's use M. Let's see. Let me look for something, eh? It's been a while. Python Venv. VS Code. This is for creating extension. And let's say environment. Minus Jesus Christ. Minus M. Jesus Christ. This one Python minus M. It should be minus M. Minus M dot VNV. Let's remove his psyche. Okay, I think that should be it. We use the psyche. Okay, we use psyche. Let's see. With your Bookify environment folder name, let's see dot psyche, not venv anymore. Dot psyche. It should be my environment, I think. Hope I get this one this time. Hope I get this one this time. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Okay, I think we already did that. Maybe the environment is built now. From there now, we can use Python. It should be Python space minus not Python. Let's see. Let's see modules name not supported. Okay, minus M venv. Oh. Yeah. Now is so this is the command minus M venv psyche. That's it. Now we have it now. We have a virtual environment, so that's it. So now we do the same process again. To let's see, control L. Oh, cease. Don't blame me. It's been a while. I need Flux here. I think we can install Flux for this environment. This is a new environment I created. We're already satisfied, so now all we have to do, we can run Flux application and also Django applications in here. But now, for now, what we have to do is we are going to try to run this code we created just now, this rubbish code. Hold shift again, copy as path, and copy as path. Then we use Python here. Control Shift V, and then now Mahmoud is 30 years old. We have it here. Okay, so for now we are going to test Flask. We look for a Flask source code, Flask web apps, GitHub. We download one and then we fill the dependency and then we try. Okay. Okay, this is for testing purposes. For those using doing web design, you can use some Python Flux application. Let's see. This one Flux website. I'm looking for web app, simple one just for testing purposes. Library management system. Need what? All HTML. Okay. Let's see this one. Movie recommendation. Flask. Okay, this one just HTML. Okay, just launch. Transcript summarizer. This is where download zip. this one download, extract, and then we test. Okay, extract here, we test. Now we have it here, so now all I have to do is open CMD here. CMD. Flax one. I think this should be the command. Oh, I need to fill in the dependencies. Dependency. Cheese requirement. Yeah. To install this requirement. PP install -r requirement.txt. So this one have been txt. Don't fuck me up, bro. Don't fuck me up. Yeah. Oof. Oh my god. So third. Okay, so now we try Flask one again. Yes. Shift. Now we copy this one and then we run on localhost in our web browser. It's going on localhost. So now we test this Python app if it is working, and it is working. Search for books. Search. This web app is working. So now we have Python working in VS Code. Confirm. I think there are no books here. Okay. Sign in, sign up. Damn. Sign up. This one is working, so I'll just see. It's a server. It runs a server also. I don't know if I can cut this one. Control C. Always does the job. We can also run it from VS Code so you guys can see. I think I'll just open this. Copy. Yes. CD. Yes. Change directory. I cannot change directory like that. Oh. Where is this file? Okay, let me just copy and move it. Copy. Ain't no harm done. Psyche paste. Control fail. I'd say CD. Why? But CD works. CD. Oh. CD. Let's see. Maybe I made a mistake somewhere. Okay. Maybe I made a mistake somewhere. Am I getting rusty? Maybe. I am getting rusty. Copy as path. Now we paste here. Let's see. Users take away. Let's see. Why was there an error? Anyways, there should not be an error, so no need to copy. Damn nigga. LS. So now we have this library system management. CD. Fuck it, bro. Control C, Control V. Control Shift, not just Control C. List. Okay, so now we are in here. Let's say we try to see pip install -r requirement.txt. Pip install -r requirement.txt. This is much fun for me to do than playing games. So now we use Flax one also from here. Okay, so now Flax is running also in VS Code. Oh, we can just click, hold shift, click. I don't know if it's okay, control not shift. Then it's opened. Now we have this one. Done. Done. Just like that. Now we go for spider. Spider 6. We want spider now. Am I still streaming? Okay. We go on for spider now. We go on for spider now. Okay. Let's wait for it. Wait for spider. Let me just close this once. I need to. I think I need to kill. I need to kill that location one on the background. The piece is way faster this time. Windows 11 was killing it. Close border. Now we wait for it to complete. We set spider to default. Okay, default settings. Come here. Let's see how many gigabytes I have left. 30 gigabytes. Anaconda. Should I try Anaconda also? Okay, let's see. Maybe we try Anaconda while this one is just opening. We try Anaconda and for you guys to see. Okay. Yeah, I think it's launching. Close one. Take one. Click next. I agree. Just me. Just for this user. 5.2 gigabytes. Bro. Let's see. Contains one space for the rubbish name. To my parts. Okay, leave this one out. That's my default. Python 3.12. Okay, this one comes with Python everything. It comes with everything for you. Anaconda comes with everything. So when you install it, it install everything for you. But it works with Python 3.12. That's I think that's what's shown. Let's wait for this one to start. Let's wait for it. Oh oh. Oh oh. Okay. I need a better thumbnail for this one. So now we wait for this one to complete. Wait for this one to complete and then we good. Wait for this one to complete, we good. Okay. It's taking up my resources. Taking up my resources. I close you for now. Come on. Does you? No. It's not again for. Let's some more. Let's see. Okay, I think I'll cover just the application in this video and then we good. Task manager. 5.2 gig. I will be uninstalling you for my games with pleasure. This OS is very light. Very light. Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2. I'll be playing you later. Okay. So let's wait. I think code not profiled. Now let's just close Go and then we add to spider. You can start your tour, but you don't need that. This is where you type your code and this will be where you run your code. Okay, for me I mostly remove all these things I don't need. Let's click and then I remove on the right hand. That's what I do mostly. Okay, you don't message me, Seth. You say when you're ready, go try for because I get you out this morning, time go there, but make them busy. So we get for come on there. He say, and go get back to me. Close. You see where you get before you then call me. Close. I mostly close all these ones. Okay? I close all of these ones. Close, close. That's for me. That's for you. That's console history. With PY. Close also, I think. No, I think this is what I should be getting. I don't know if I should. Oh, I made a mistake. That one should have been left. Dear. But anyway, so now close this one. We don't need temp.py. Untitled.py we don't need. Untitled one. Let's just try to open our file. The file we have at our desktop. Desktop. Open this one. Okay. This one. This Anaconda is what's causing all this. CPU usage. I53. Virtualization disabled because of BIOS lock. Close, bro. Think. I don't know if I can run now because I made a mistake by deleting that one. Don't know. Consoles run. I need to do something. Run an external terminal. Okay, this one for external terminal. Let's see. One cell. This one I need to. Oh god, Anaconda try to get fixed. I can't run now except I use external terminal. One cell I can't. Let's see for console. New console. Maybe I'll get a new console over here. New console. Oh, this is Vaconda. Spider runtime. Let me just wait for this thing to complete install and then I can try. Okay, now we have this one here. I think we have two. While starting the kernel, connecting to kernel. Who is this again? Connecting to kernel. Made a mistake. Oh, like three one at the same time. Let's wait for this one to complete. Package cache. Let's wait for it to complete and then I don't know I'm getting this lagging issue. I made a mistake. I should not have deleted that one. That was the last one. Yeah, internal. This one crash. I need to fix that other one. Okay. Let's see. Tools. Reset all preferences to default. Let's reset. I made a mistake. Reset. I should have left that console there. Okay. We will reopen again. When this one completes, I think I made a mistake by running this one. And then trying to do that one. This one takes a lot of resources. Let me check. Let me check. Hopefully I can see something. Okay. CPU usage, OBS is using 20 points. Okay, this one is not taking that much. Yeah, not that much. just wait for it to think we. Oh god, and I can't pause now. Bad call. We set again, and then we go back, and then we just use the other thing with the this thing, the console. We just use with the console now. I need to install Photoshop also. Create thumbnail. Let's open this one. Going to take time. Close. You just close these tabs. Close tab. Close tab. Close. Close. Okay, now let's reset to default, and I'll just cancel the and leave the console because I need the console. I'll just cancel and then leave the console. Okay, initializing. Let's wait. It's acting slow because of this thing here. I'm installing, that's why, but it is a bit faster. I love using it. So for the ones using VS Code, thank God I made VS Code first. You have seen now you can work in VS Code, setting it up and then start using it for Python. And if you want to stick with VS Code, then you can stick with it. If you want to try out the Spider, PyCharm, whatever is your poison, you can go ahead and try that. This is going to take a lot of time. I know this thing. It's going to take a lot of time. Just leave like that. Let me just try to complete this one, and then maybe later I'll make a video, a separate video for this one. Grace of God. Oh. Come on, bro. 8 GB RAM. I need more memory. I need more memory. Oh, I can just close an account now, and then yeah. Let's see if we can end task. Or install later. But ignore setting up the base environment. You're telling me you're almost done because I then I'll do that later. Now let's wait. And mind you, these Anaconda applications, it also comes with this VS Code comes pre-installed there, and also Spider comes pre-installed in there. It has all of these inside. It's like an all-in-one. All the applications are in there. Even Jupyter Notebook is available there. Okay, now I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting on you. Very high. Oh my god. OBS very high. Background processes end end and end. Okay, now for this one, let's close now. After closing, then we open. Python is not responding. Potato PC. Okay, these are all your services. Come on, I just ended the task for Anaconda, and you're acting up like it. Initializing again. Okay, loading application now. Wait for it to load, and then we get inside. Okay, now we open one end. Dismiss. Let me see. Open. Python. Title, let's see. One file. Oh, oh, oh. Close. An error code. But I don't know process. Okay. Let's see. Go on. So for now, I can only run because I have other applications that are using this one. For tools. Ah, come on. Interpreter. Ah, let's see for this one. I need interpreter. Okay. Then what's the issue with this one? Just close. This one is for history. Consoles, new consoles. Okay. Spider one time, let's see. Consoles. Default settings. I'm getting issue because of this username. Oof. I'm getting issue because of this stupid username. Now all I can run is just one here to want to sell run this one. Run an external. I don't know if this one, all I can do is this one. Console editor. Ah, God. Undock. Undock also. Undock. Can't get a console because of this rubbish. 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 Because of that rubbish username. This account. Ah, God. I can't. Can only run from here. F5 not going. Okay, so see users. Let me just change this one. This fucking username. I use here again. I'll create a new one. Let's say Spider. Fucking username. Okay, now let's see console. Same error. Users take because I installed it in that. Yeah, this one will work for you. It will work for you. Okay. Me, I'm having issue because of the username, even though I've changed. Uh, even though I've changed, but I'm still having issues because of that username because of the place I installed. Yeah, that's what was giving this fucking rubbish issue. That's what's giving this issue. Let's see special console if I can get a special console also. No special console. I'm getting the issue because of that. I will just close. And for that Anaconda, I'll complete it. I think that will be all for today. Please be sure to like, subscribe, share, comment. Stay blessed, stay positive, stay cosmic.